And I'm Sammy, and we're the hosts of Sup Kids Cooking. It is Christmas today. Woo! Please comment down below what you got for Christmas.
Yes.
Today we're making Mantecaditos.
Mantecaditos are from Puerto Rico, and they show the European influence on Puerto Rico because they are also called Puerto Rican Shortbread. Okay, so let's get started.
Let's get on into it.
We need 2 1/4 cups of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 3/4 cups of butter, a 1/4 cup of vegetable shortening, 1 1/2 teaspoons almond extract, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup sugar, and 5 maraschino cherries cut in dates.
Also sprinkles.
And also sprinkles. First, we're going to combine the flour and nutmeg.
Let's do it. It's Christmas!
Now in a large bowl, we're going to beat butter, shortening, and both of the extracts with an electric hand mixer. Now we are going to mix in the flour mixture. We mix it until it's slightly moist. If the dough is too dry, you can add some water to it. Now we're going to spoon dough by teaspoons and form them into balls, then place them on an ungreased baking sheet. And then gently press each ball with the palm of the hand to form a cookie, then garnish with a cherry piece or sprinkles.
Let's do it.
We're going to put them in the oven for 20 minutes at 350 degrees.
Alright, we're gonna try these Mantecaditos. This cherry in the middle. 3, 2, 1. That cherry's really good in it. That's really good. Got that buttery texture. That's good.
I really like it, and I think it's better with the sprinkles than with the cherry. And I hope everybody's having a great Christmas.
You can watch all these videos on YouTube. The 12 Days of Christmas Cookies on YouTube.
Thank you for joining us on all 12 days of Sup's 12 Days of Christmas Cookies.
Thank you very much. Thank you to ChristmasCashCookies.com for all of our recipes. Thank you very much. They were very good recipes.
And make sure you check them out.
Make sure you check them out on ChristmasCashCookies.com.
Bye!
Bye,
Merry
Super
Christmas.
Suppers!
Merry
Merry Christmas! Feliz Navidad!